This exercise is called the jumping lunge, and I'm going to start by showing you just a couple of important points for your lunge positioning, and then we'll go into the jumping and the explosive part of it. So if I do this demonstration from the side so you can see, a lunge will look like this, stepping one foot out in front of the other, bringing my back knee down to the floor, and front knee stays at around 90 degrees. For some people, it might be a bit more comfortable to have your knees further over your toes, and for some people, it might be a bit easier to have your knees behind your toes. That's just a personal preference and depends on any pain that's associated with the knee for you, but this is around the position that we want to get to. And from there, driving back up. So that would be a normal lunge, and we would alternate legs and have our back knee just kissing the floor, not crashing down into the floor and causing pain and smashing it onto the tiles at home or the bricks at home. Just a light touch, and that maintains tension the whole way through, and it's gonna work our glutes and hammies and stabilizes around our knee a lot more because we're keeping tension the whole time. Now, in order to make that an explosive or a jumping lunge like we're trying to do here, when I step out, I can either jump up and jump straight into the other side, or I can just repeat all the reps on that one side. So to repeat all the reps on one side, it would look like this. Taking a step out, 1, 2, etc., etc. The other way, if we alternate legs, so I'll step out with my left leg first. So jumping up as high as I can between each rep and swapping my legs over in the air. So one of those versions will work well for you, whether we need to scale back to the normal lunge and just alternate that, whether we jump on the spot and do the one leg for the amount of sets required, the amount of reps required, then change to the other leg and do the sets, or we alternate the leg as we go. So we go right, left for the amount of sets and reps required for the program. This exercise is called the jumping lunge.